Hi, I'm Carrie Siggins, CEO of StoneAge. StoneAge is proud to be considered an essential business, and we take our role in keeping global infrastructure running and clean very seriously. We're here to support our customers, and as long as you're up and running and serving your customers, we'll be here for you too. We're following very stringent safety practices to make sure that all of our employees stay safe and healthy while continuing to serve our customers. We're shipping products all over the world from our headquarters here in Durango. As you can see, we've got lots of inventory on the shelf ready to go to support you in whatever job you are, no matter where you are in the world. Our branch offices are also open for service, sales, and rental. If you need something quickly, give us a call and we'll have it ready and we'll call for you. If you need a repair, you can call ahead and you can drop your tool off and we'll make sure that we get it repaired and out the door quickly to you so that you can get back to work as quickly as possible. If you need a short-term rental or even a long-term rental, we have products on the shelf ready to go so that you can continue to serve your customers. Our machine shop is also open and we're here to do custom heads and small custom solutions for you. If you have a one-off job or a tough application, give our StoneAge Solutions team a call and we'll see what we can do for you and get a product out the door as quickly as possible. We appreciate our customers so much and are grateful to be part of keeping infrastructure up and running and supporting all of your needs while you're out on the front lines, keeping the world clean. We want you to know that no matter what happens, we always have your back. You can give us a call anytime and know that we're here to help you no matter what. And thank you so much for everything that you're doing.